Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you guys can hear, I kind of lost my voice from getting sick, so I want to still show some of the entries that you guys have been sending in for my birthday challenge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you who sent this, and then I'm just gonna kind of speed through the actual stuff. So this one was sent to me by, I think I could have sworn her name was Mallory, but it says Dale here. She's addicted to nail arts and crafts on YouTube, and this is her entry. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna talk as much as I can. Once my voice starts getting a little stressed out, I'll just go on to the speeding process, or at least show the tag flip through the speeding, and then show you guys the rest of the stuff that she sent me. She did send me a bunch of paper, and it's so cute, you guys. See, I want to show you guys. Look at this paper. Isn't that pretty? It's like cherry blossom paper, and like a few sheets. And look at this one. It's kind of got that gloss, polka dots. And you guys, I've been meaning to film all the entries that I've been getting, but do you guys hear me now? Like, this is good compared to the way I sounded before. So I hope you guys don't mind. I still want to show you guys the entries because you guys, they're still blowing me away. Look how beautiful. Thank you so much for sending these to me, girly. I love them so much, and I cannot wait to create stuff, especially during the summertime, because it's perfect colors for the summer. And then she also sent me some of these little kind of like embellishments, little iridescent hearts and butterflies. So cute. She sent me a bunch of sequins, and you guys, she's all the way from Germany. Look at that. And then she sent me these cute little kind of like charms with cameos on them. Is that what they're called? Cameos? I think that's what they're called. It's a cute little box filled with a bunch of little charms. And then you guys, look at her embellishments. Aren't they adorable? She made rosettes. And there's this one. And then this is her card. I love the corset on it. I love the colors that she chose. And it has like a little belly band. It goes in like this. Oops. She put a little felt bow on it. A bunch of little gemmies. How cute is that? So now you guys, this is her tag flip. And look how pretty her tassel is. You guys are still blowing me away with this tassel. So I'm gonna flip through it on speed, like the speed through, so that I don't have to continue to stress my voice like talking about it. Just know that I love it so much. It's beautiful, girly, and you did an amazing job. So on to the speed up. So this is the entry for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I am so sorry if I sound crazy, but I still wanted to put up this video. And thank you, Mallory. I think your name is Mallory. I could have sworn you won one of my giveaways on my Halloween, and I saw Mallory on the name. But thank you so much for entering my challenge and supporting my channel and my crafts. I always see your comments. And yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.